In the last part, we have studied bioactive components of ginger and chemistry of gingerol. We have also studied digestion, absorption, metabolism and bioavailability of gingerol. Now, in this section, we shall study health benefits of gingerol. The first is anti-inflammatory effects of gingerol. The 6-gingerol has been reported to possess a strong anti-inflammatory activity and to suppress the tumor necrosis factor alpha production in TPA treated female ICR mice and rats. Inhibiting the activity of nuclear factor kappa B will subsequently inhibit inflammation and inflammation associated disorder. The natural active compounds in ginger, gingerols and zerimbone have been found to be potent inhibitors for nuclear factor kappa B and pro-inflammatory cytokine TNF alpha. Now, the second is anti-cancer properties of gingerol. The 6-gingerol, a major pungent ingredient of ginger, is a potent anti-angiogenic activity in vitro and in vivo. The 6-gingerol may inhibit tumor growth and metastasis via its anti-angiogenic activity. Topical application of 6-gingerol inhibited COX2, that is cyclooxygenase 2 expression along with suppressed NF-κB DNA binding activity in mouse skin. The proposed mechanisms of action of gingerol involved in anti-cancer and chemopreventive properties via multiple pathways that includes the inhibition of cyclooxygenase 2 expression by inhibiting P38 MAPK NF-κB, that is mitogen activated protein kinase necrosis factor signaling pathway. Ginger is a natural antioxidant and anti-carcinogenic dietary component. Ginger and its component 6-gingerol is effective against ovarian cancers in vivo. Ginger inhibits necrosis factor B, that is NF-κB, and also interleukin 8, that is IL-8 inhibitions. Now, ginger and antioxidant. Ginger is the source of large number of antioxidants and also play an important role in the reduction of the lipid oxidation and inhibit the pathogenesis of disease. Previous study reported that ginger extract possesses antioxidative characteristics and shows a role in scavenging superoxide anion and hydroxyl radicals, and gingerol inhibited ascorbate ferrous complex induced lipid peroxidation in rat liver microsomes. The essential oil and oleoresin of gingiber officinal exhibited significant antioxidant and antimicrobial activities. 6-dehydroshogel, 6-shogel and 1-dehydro-6-gingerdione has shown potent inhibitors of nitric oxide synthesis in activated macrophages. Another report in the favor of ginger as oxidant showed that 6-shogel has potent antioxidant properties which can be attributed to the presence of unsaturated ketone moiety. Another study has shown that phenolic substances possess strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties and considerable anti-carcinogenic and anti-mutagenic activities, and showed role as in scavenging of H2O2, which denotes electrons to H2O2, thus neutralizing it to water. Earlier report showed that antioxidative activity of ginger extract in animal model. Now, next is gingerol effective in cardiovascular diseases. Ginger has gained interest for its potential to treat various aspects of cardiovascular disease, and in vitro and animal data supporting the anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antiplatelet, hypotensive and hypolipidemic effects of this condiment have been reviewed. However, human trials are less convincing and more investigations are needed. Caution when taking ginger and other herbal extracts has been suggested because of an apparent association of ginger with reported incidences of increased risk of bleeding following surgery or if taken with anticoagulant drugs such as warfarin. An aqueous ginger extract was reported to induce a dose dependent decrease in arterial blood pressure in a variety of animal models. At least one group of scientists found that administration or consumption of standardized ginger extract decreased aortic atherosclerotic lesion areas, plasma triglycerides and cholesterol, low density lipoprotein associated lipid peroxides and LDL aggregation in mice. In rabbits that were fed a high cholesterol diet, administration of ginger extract resulted in a significant anti-hyperlipidemic effect and a lower degree of atherosclerosis compared to the group that was fed cholesterol alone. One of the biggest benefits of ginger is its ability to naturally lower cholesterol levels and triglycerides to reduce the risk of heart problems. Ginger is able to significantly reduce bad LDL cholesterol and raise beneficial HDL cholesterol compared to a placebo. Ginger is nearly as effective in lowering cholesterol or improving cholesterol markers as atorvastatin, a medication commonly prescribed for high blood cholesterol. Now, next is anti-diabetic activity. Diabetes mellitus is known as a severe metabolic disorder caused by insulin deficiency and or insulin resistance, resulting in an abnormal increase in blood glucose. Prolonged hyperglycemia could accelerate protein glycation and the formation of advanced glycation end products AGEs. Many research works have evaluated the anti-diabetic effect of ginger and its major active constituents. An in vitro experiment resulted in both 6-shogaol and 6-gingerol preventing the progression of diabetic complications, and they inhibited the production of AGEs by trapping methyl glycoxyl, that is MGO, the precursor of AGE, that is advanced glycation end products. So, gingerol is a chemical compound found in fresh ginger. Chemically, gingerol is a relative of capsaicin and piperine, the compounds which give chili peppers and black pepper their respective spiciness. Cooking ginger transforms gingerol via a reverse aldol reaction into gingerol, which is less pungent and has a spicy sweet aroma. When ginger is dried or mildly heated, gingerol undergoes a dehydration reaction forming shogaols, which are about twice as pungent as gingerol. This explains why dried ginger is more pungent than fresh ginger. Ginger is a wonder spice which has been used extensively for a broad spectrum of ailments from cold to cancer. Gingerol has several health benefits such as it is used for common ailments like cold, indigestion, nausea, used as antimicrobial, antifungal, antioxidant, oxidative, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer agent. It also regulates blood sugar, lowers cholesterol levels and improves brain function. Thank you.